everyone, and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. Well, today I've got another video for you guys where I'm going to do an after dark clean and decorate with me. I hope you enjoy. Now guys, as you're aware, I recently had a wisdom tooth out, and honestly guys, this was probably about 5 days after surgery. Now my husband had to go away for work, so I ended up having the house to myself. Now normally, had I been feeling better, I would film an entire clean with me. So I started to do that. I was taking medication and I thought, okay, I can have a go at filming a clean with me at night. Now unfortunately, I should have listened to everyone that told me when the medication kicks in is the time to rest the most. And even though I only did probably about 2 hours of filming here, guys, I really suffered for it the next day. But I still wanted to bring this to you and show you what I got up to at night. So if you see me looking a little worse for wear, that's the reason.
Nothing new, but it's so good to see you. We do this every day, and I'm still so amazed by you.
Now guys, something that I added to my kitchen were these Kmart white wall shelves. Now Kmart has these beautiful shelves, guys, for just $9 each. Now I absolutely love my kitchen, but I actually have no shelving in there. Everything's got doors on it. So I had one small area of my home where I thought if I put 2 shelves, I could do some styling for all different seasons. I absolutely love blush pink and baby blue. They're my 2 favourite colours, and I love styling them together. Now, one of my favourite things to do in my kitchen is to create little vignettes, and that's what I'm doing here. I'm just taking a Ray Dunn inspired cookie jar, and now you know I love my blush pink, guys, but I also adore my leopard print. And this leopard print utensil holder I picked up from TK Maxx probably about 2 years ago now. Now you can see that I love my blush pink with my utensils. They're from Amazon, which I'll leave link for you down below. But anytime I go home decor shopping, guys, 2 things will always draw me in, and that's blush pink and leopard print. Now here I'm also decorating the top of my range hood with these adorable little chopping boards. I picked them up from the reject shop and spray painted them blue. Now another thing that I absolutely love to do when I clean my kitchen is to use my diffuser. Now my favourite scent of all at the moment is called Marshmallow Rose, and the name says it all. Honestly guys, the scent that goes through my home makes the home smell like bubblegum. It really does. And every person that walks in the house is like, your house always smells amazing, and it's just purely from this small little bottle. also love burning candles, guys, and this particular one I recently picked up from Coles. It smells so beautiful. Now, Coles is a local supermarket here in Australia, but they've started to sell some home decor, and I picked up a few things which I'm going to share with you in this video. Now, on my table, guys, I always try to keep out this beautiful blush pink tray, which is from Provincial Home Living. Now, on there, I like to do little vignettes. I had this DIY flower arrangement, which come in that little French Provincial box, as well as this candle, guys. Now, this is another home decor piece, which is from Coles. I also added this little teapot, which is from Eureka Street Furniture. As I mentioned before, I also adore baby blue so much, and I couldn't walk away from these beautiful baby blue mugs that I picked up a few weeks back from Woolworths. And I love to hang mugs on my hooks that are on my shiplap wall behind my dining table. I also adore these beautiful white rope baskets that I also picked up from Coles. I picked up 2 of these and I added some fake flowers that I already had, and I placed one at either end. Now, to the top of my shelf, I added these cute little windows that I recently picked up from Amazon. I'll leave them linked for you down below. Now, guys, I also get a lot of questions about my bakery sign. Now, if you're in Australia, Eureka Street Furniture currently stock this. However, if you are overseas, I'll leave it linked down below. I'll do some searching for you. I know a lot of my overseas friends have this sign. Now, guys, also I picked up a few weeks ago on clearance the beautiful Boussole chair from Kmart. Now, so many home decor stores are doing dupes of this, guys. There is just so many out there, and they range between $300 and $400 each. But Kmart bought them out. I believe when Kmart first bought them out, they were about $89, but I got these on clearance for $69, and they are such great chairs. They're not overly huge, and I decided to put them in my living room, is what you're seeing me do here. Now, another handy tip to save money, guys, is definitely use cushions in reverse. Now, I just showed you here the little bunny cushions. I picked these up from Amazon this Easter, and I thought, you know what, I need more blush pink cushions, but I had them already, guys. All I had to do is flip them over.
Never understood a word they said. Kept running in the woods alone instead. Somewhere, somehow, I guess I lost it all. Try to keep it up and standing tall. Why don't you stay, 'cause I could really use a friend. Stay, please stay, 'cause my heart really needs a man. Somewhere, somehow, I guess I lost it all. Stay here with me.
Now, on my couch, I decided to change out a few cushions, and I recently picked up these ruffled white pillow covers. Now, they're from Amazon as well, and I'll leave them linked down below. And it's took me this long, guys, to realise I really do not need another cushion. If I do change my mind, which I always do, I can just change them out by buying the cushion covers. And that's what I love about shopping on Amazon. They always have what I'm looking for.
Please stay, 'cause my heart really needs a man. Somewhere,
Now I'm also going to go round to my picture frames. Now I try to remind myself all the time, guys, to go round and clean these, especially if you have black frames, you'll know what I mean. So I'm cleaning them here, and then I'm going to head in to my other living room, which I don't really show on camera very often, but basically I was feeling really sad and sorry here, guys, so all I'm doing here is just giving it a quick tidy up. Now, I didn't go round and vacuum my home as intended. It really didn't need it, guys, but by this stage, the tooth pain was definitely kicking in. So I'm just tidying it up here, and then I'm going to show you a walkthrough of my home.
Why don't you stay? Oh, stay, 'cause I could really use a friend. Why don't you stay? Please stay, 'cause my heart really needs a man. Somewhere, somehow, I guess I lost it all. Stay, stay here with me. Why don't you stay? Oh, stay, 'cause I could really use a friend. Stay, please stay, 'cause my heart really needs a man. Somewhere, somehow, I guess I lost it all. Stay, stay here with me.
I used to stay up all night trying to find my place, chasing neon lights and looking for some kind of trace to lead me out of darkness. Give me a little faith, something to make me stronger, someone who could light the way. Then you came to me and you gave me reason. I almost can't believe it. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know we're gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your hands in mine, I know we're gonna be alright. 'Cause when we touch is when I really come alive. When I really come alive. I don't know anybody that could compare to you. The way you're always smiling, the way you light up a room. I couldn't live without you, not even if I tried. 'Cause every day I'm with you, I'm flying over the clouds. Oh yeah, yeah, I'm flying over the clouds. And I'm not coming down. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. 'Cause when we touch is when I really come alive. When we touch is when I really come alive. I couldn't be without you now. I just can't see how, not even if I tried. I couldn't be without you now. I just can't see how, 'cause I need you by my side.
So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you've enjoyed my after dark clean and decorate with me. Don't forget, guys, to give me a big thumbs up. It truly helps the channel. Share the video as many times as you can. And I'd love most of all if you would hit that subscribe button so you can become a part of Chelle's Glam Home family.
Put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright.
So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.